ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा, निवृत्ति उदारा सोपान देवा, मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांचिये। भगवद गीता थर्ड चैप्टर along with commentary of Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj we have been seeing. Arjuna had asked wonderful question: why knowledgeable people, why enlightened people, in fact, why sadhu mahatma, great people, they commit sin, though they know what is right, what is wrong, still why do they commit sin, papam? Athakena prayuktoyam papam charati purushah. Then in the answer, Bhagavan Krishna said that Kama Eshah, Krodha Eshah, Rajoguna Samudbhavah. There is this deep desire which is responsible for everything. Kama Eshah, Krodha Eshah. So this Raga Dvesha topic Bhagavan has taken up very nicely. In that we have seen how this Kama Krodha they grow further and how this Kama Krodha they support everyone. So Kama Krodha have their business. So Asha is there who look after Kama Krodha's business. Means what? If there is longing for something, craving for something, then Kama Krodha is always going up. So business is always flourishing if this Asha is there who is looking after the business of Kama Krodha. Then this Asha has one sister, younger sister, whose name is Bhranti, illusion. Bhranti, delusion. Bhranti, wrong thinking. So this wrong thinking helps this craving and there is more craving. So business of Kama Krodha is flourishing at peak. Then this Bhranti has one Dasi who is this Trishna. Trishna, like craving only. Okay, but little bit thick form of desire. Trishna, where Vasana we say we want that from within. I want that. I want that is Trishna. Trishna is the Dasi of that Bhranti. And now we are seeing this Kama Krodha has brought Dambha, hypocrisy in this world. Inside something, outside some nice, sugar coating is there. So that Dambha is also, promoted by this Kama Krodha. And beautiful example given by Jnaneshwar Maharaj. Jnaneshwar Maharaj says there is one calf and that inside that calf there is this husk filled with the, what we say, some word is there. When we do the wood inside that, I will find out here only. Yeah, inside that there is one calf. So in that calf there is no life inside, and that calf is filled with straws inside. So when that cow sees that calf, cow thinks that, oh, he is my calf, and that cow gives milk out. So in the same means inside there is nothing, but outside it looks like that as though it is a real calf Same way, that is called dambha. Inside there is nothing. Outside there is full show of shining. So that dambha is also promoted in the world, sustained in the world because of this kama krodha. Now moving further. जेणे सत्याचा भोकसा काढिला. Satya, the real is taken out. मग अकृत्य तृणकुटा भरिला. And unreal something is straws are filled inside. तो दंभुरुडविला जगी इही. That dambha is also promoted by this Kamakrodha in this world. What else this Kamakrodha has done? Wonderful topic. We need to introspect ourselves. This is not to talk or not to go and give discourses on. This is really introspecting topic. Sadhavi, Sadhvi, Shanti, Nagavili, Maga, Maya, Mangi, Shrungarili. तिये करवी विटाळविली साधू वृंदे साध्वी शांती नागविली मग माया मांगी शृंगारिली तिये करवी विटाळविली साधू वृंदे. Now what this Kamakrodha has done? So there is Shanti, peace, who is very beautiful lady. What these people have done, what this Kamakrodha has done? Sadhvi, Shanti, Nagavili. Nagavili means they disrobed that Shanti. Means in short, that peace has gone. This is Rupaka. So there is one lady, Shanti, very, very good lady. Sadhvi, Shanti, Nagavili. The good lady who is there, he was, disrobed, humiliated. And there is one very bad, wicked woman. And that wicked woman is nicely decorated. The makeup has been put on nicely. Maga Maya Mangi Shrungarili. Maya. Mangi means is outcast lady, olden days. Now everyone is same only. So low born. Mang means low born people. So that Maya, which is actually low born, very low, very wicked, that this Kamakrodha decorated. Means what? The chaste lady, which is Shanti, she is disrobed. And the wicked woman, which is Maya, she has been decorated by Kamakrodha. And what this Maya has done, which is decorated by Kamakrodha, तिये करवी विटाळविली sadhu vrunde. Because of this Maya, who is low born, vitalvili sadhu vrunde, great people are being polluted by this Maya, which is decorated by Kama Krodha. Sadhu vrunde vitalvili, great sadhus in past also. If we see in history, they are polluted. They had to go wrong way because of this Kama Krodha. Now what else this Kama Krodha has done? इही विवेकाची त्राय फेडिली वैराग्याची खाली काढली जितया मान मोडिली उपशमाची इही विवेकाची त्राय फेडिली वैराग्याची खाली काढली जितया मान मोडिली उपशमाची. This Kama Krodha has Vivekachi Traya Fedili. Viveka means where you can do discrimination. So that discrimination has some support. So this Kama Krodha has devastated this Viveka and its support. Vivekachi Traya means Ashraya, on which Viveka stands. That Ashraya, the support where Viveka stands, that has been devastated by Kamakrodha. वैराग्याची खाली काढली. And vairagya, imagine it is a person, and that person has nice skin. So this Kama Krodha came and they just pulled out the skin of that vairagya. Means to show how vairagya is been, you know, kicked out easily from a person. That is how the way of showing is. So if we are there and our skin, just we someone takes out that skin, how we feel? Very bad. If someone pinches, that also hurts us more. If someone is taking our skin out of our body, how will we feel? Very bad. Like that, Vairagya is also feeling bad because they pulled out the skin of this Vairagya. Who? Kamakrodha. Upashamachi mana modili jitiya, and the neck of tranquility. The neck of tranquility is being twisted by this Kama Krodha, or Upashama means controlling. So this Nigraha, controlling ourselves, that is called Upashama. This controlling of ourself has been, the neck of that controlling thing has been twisted by this Kama Krodha. So Viveka gone, Vairagya gone, whatever controlling thing was there within us, that is also been twisted. Now what else? This Kama Krodhas, you see what they have done, and they are within us. Okay. इहि संतोषवन खांडिले, धैर्य दुर्ग पाडिले, आनंद रोप सांडिले, उपडुनिया. इहि संतोषवन खांडिले, धैर्य दुर्ग पाडिले, आनंद रोप सांडिले, उपडुनिया. This Kama Krodha, there is one forest. The forest is like satisfaction, contentment. That contentment forest or a park is been destroyed by Kama Krodha. Means once Kama Krodhas, they are inside, there is no satisfaction. Whatever we get, we want more. So, Santoshavana Khandile. And, everyone has this fortitude, bravery, or the patience. This Kama Krodha, they have demolished the fort of fortitude. Fort of fortitude. Dhairya, fortitude. Durga, for fort. Padile, this Kama Krodha has demolished the fort of fortitude. Then, somehow we started going towards Vedanta, doing some bhajan kirtan. Somehow we planted one small tree, small plant, that also uprooted by this Kama Krodha. Anandaropa sandile upaduniya. Anandaropa, plant of bliss we planted. Upadoniya sandile Kama Krodhe. Paduniya sandile, this Kama Krodha. Now what else this Kama Krodha has done? There is unending list here. Ihi bodhachi rope lunchili, सुखाची लिपी पुसली, जिव्हारी आगी सुदली तापत्रयाची. इही बोधाची रोपे लुंचिली, सुखाची लिपी पुसली, जिव्हारी आगी सुदली तापत्रयाची. इही means by Kama Krodha. Bodhachi rope lunchili. So whatever understanding, wisdom was there inside. Wisdom about world, about self, about body, about relationship, about family, home, money. Bodhachi, the wisdom is, plucked out. Bodhachi rope lunchili. Whatever sattvic joy we were getting, lippy, pusily. That sattvic joy also gone. Whatever we were getting because of our punya, because of good things, whatever sattvic joy we were getting, that also pusily. There is no word of sattvic joy now in life. Why? Kama Krodha, they are thriving. Jivari, Agi, Sudali, and Jivari within our heart. Tapatrayachi, Agi, Sudali. There are three types of tapa, three types of afflictions. They are there in our heart now. So this fire of three kinds of afflictions, they are kindled in our heart. Means our heart is not on peace. There is full fire inside. We are not at all at ease. So tapatraya, adibhautik, adhyatmik, adidaivik tapas are there. अंगातव घडले जीवीची आथी जडले परी ना तुडती गिवसिले ब्रह्मादिका अंगातव घडले जीवीची आथी जडले परी ना तुडती गिवसिले ब्रह्मादिका. And from where this Kamakrodha came? Along with body they also born. अंगातव घडले. When you were born, Kamakrodha also born. As you are growing, Kamakrodhas are also growing. But where they are, connected, attached, where they are. Jivichi athi zadale, life which is there within us, that spark which is there within us, they are well connected. In fact, mingled, completely mingled, merged with this Jiva. So Kama Krodha are completely mingled, merged in with Jiva. Means they are inseparable. There is no contact between Kama Krodha and Chaitanya as such. Tari na tudati givasile Brahmadika. And if Brahmadika, Brahma, etc., if he wants to find out where are this Kama Krodha, na tudati, you can't find them. Givasale na tudati. Even though you want to find them, you can't. That's how they smart. Brahmadika also, they were trapped by this Kama Krodha. That is why it is said, even they can't find it. Oh my God. Please tell me, where do they stay in our body? हे चैतन्याचे शेजारी वसती ज्ञानाच्या एका हारी म्हणोनी प्रवर्तले महामारी सावरतीना. हे चैतन्याचे शेजारी वसती ज्ञानाच्या एका हारी म्हणोनी प्रवर्तले महामारी सावरतीना. हे कादिस काम क्रोध चैतन्याचे शेजारी. So Jiva Chaitanya is there. In Panchadashi very well explained. Jiva Chaitanya, Ishvara Chaitanya, Ghatakash, Mahakash, Meghakash, very nicely explained. So I told you there is no real contact between body and Chaitanya, mind and Chaitanya. But Jiva Chaitanya appears because of Upadhi in this body. And that Upadhi is Antakarana. So this Kama Krodha, they are in Antakaranam. In fact, they are these thoughts. So where are these thoughts? Very near to Chaitanya. Means Jiva Chaitanya. Otherwise, one Chaitanya which is there everywhere, Mahakash. So Ghatakash, Meghakash, Mahakash, many examples are there. But Chaitanya che Sezari. So the Jiva Chaitanya which is here, it is very close, adjacent to the Jiva Chaitanya. And Vasati Jnanacha Ekahari. And this Kama Krodha, they are also Vritti Jnana. Okay. Vritti, thought, Jnana. So this Kama Krodha, they are also known or understood by thoughts. वसती ज्ञानाच्या एकाहारी. So they are vritti jnana. Kama krodha are vritti jnana. They are near to the consciousness. Jiva chaitanya. मनोनी प्रवर्तले महामारी सावर्ती ना. मनोनी. So it's very adjacent to Jiva Chaitanya. It is the subject or object of Vritti Jnana. Therefore, Mahamari savarti na. Once they decide to attack on us, Mahamari pravartale. Once they decide to attack on us, who? Kama Krodha. Then Savartina, it is difficult, very, very difficult to control them. Na Savarti, na Savarti. What do they do? Kama Krodha. He jale vina budaviti, agi vina zariti, न बोलता कवळिती प्राणियांते. हे जळेवी न बुडविती, आगीवी न जाळीती, न बोलता कवळिती प्राणियांते. So if someone is there who has gone in the the river and he doesn't know how to swim and he drowns in the water and he feel I am going to die now. So that same feeling, water drowns a person and it gives the feeling of dying. That same feeling, same amount of sorrow, this Kama Krodha gives without water. Jalevina, without water they drown us. Means same dukkham, same amount of dukkham we get when this Kama Krodha decides to attack on us. Agivina Zaliti, if someone is being burnt, how he will feel? Each and every cell and the particle of the body will, give him sorrow. So who is giving sorrow? Fire is giving sorrow to person, but this Kama Krodha, they will give that amount of sorrow without fire. Agni vina zaliti, na bolata, silently this Kama Krodha will capture a person and they will finish that person. Na bolata, silently, kavaliti, envelopes, surrounds that person, and that's how this Kama Krodha is. What else? He shastre veena saditi, dore veena bandhiti, ज्ञानियांसी तरी वधती, पैज घेऊनी. हे शस्त्र विण साधिती, दोरे वीण बांधिती, ज्ञानियांसी तरी वदती, पैज घेऊनी. हे शस्त्रे विण साधिती. They kill us without a weapon. Means the amount of harm a weapon can do, same amount of harm this Kama Krodha can do without weapon. Dore veena banditi, a rope can bind a person. This Kama Krodha, they give same amount of sorrow without a rope. You are completely bound by Kama Krodha. And what about enlightened people? ज्ञानियांसी तरी वदती, पैज घेऊनी. On wage, they knock down wise people. Enlightened people, they are, knocked down with bet. So this Kama Krodha will say, let's have bet. I will knock down this Jnani. Who thinks in this world he is Jnani? Bring him here. I will knock him down. Jnaniyansi tari vadhiti, पैज घेऊनी, with bet. For wager, they strike down a wise man. What else? He चिखले विण रोविती, पाशिके विण गोविती. हे कवना जोगे न होती आतवटेपणे. हे चिखले विण रोविती, पाशिके विण गोविती. हे कवणा जोगे न होती आतवटेपणे. हे चिखले विण रोविती. Roviti means they put us down. They bury us. Who? Kamakrodha. Generally, mud or soil buries a person. This Kamakrodha will bury us without that mud or without that soil. Pashike vina goviti. If snare is there, snare, snare, that snare can noose us. But this Kamakrodha, Pashike Veena Goviti, without snare, this Kamakrodha will noose us, hang us. He Kavana Joge na hoti Ataute Pane. Because these Kamakrodha, they are part of inner world, nobody can catch them, nobody can knock them down, nobody can be saved from this Kamakrodha unless they are very, very powerful and strong. So unequaled in strength they are. Kaunazoge na hoti. They are not like anything. They are not caught by anyone. This Kamakrodha, they are unparalleled, unequaled. Kaunazoge na hoti. Because they are the part of inner world. They are very subtle. It's very difficult to find them, catch them, knock them down. Now Bhagavan says how this Kamakrodha hides our knowledge. Knowledge, consciousness we can say, or Paramatma. धूमे नाव्रियते वह्निः यथा दर्शो मलेन च यथोल्बेनावृतो गर्भः तथा तेनेदमावृतम्. धूमे नाव्रियते वह्निः यथा दर्शो मलेन च यथोल्बेनावृतो गर्भः तथा तेनेदमावृतम्. So this knowledge or Paramatma is hidden by this Kama Krodha. How? धूमेण आव्रियते वह्निः यथा आदर्शः मलेन च यथा उल्बेन आवृतः गर्भः तथा तेन इदम आवृतम्. So the knowledge is covered by this Kama Krodha. How? Dhumena vannihi yatha, as fire is covered by smoke. Adarshah malena cha, and mirror is concealed, covered by dust. Avriyate, covered. Or the ulbena garbha avrutah, embryo is enveloped by womb. Ulbena garbha avrutah, garbha baby, and that around that baby there is womb. Tatha, like that, tena kamakrodhena idam avrutam, idam jnanam. This Paramatma is covered by this kamakrodha. Means kamakrodha, raga, dvesha, they will not allow us to go towards Paramatma. That is how they are covered. Otherwise, Paramatma is infinite and this Kamakrodha is finite. How finite Kamakrodha can cover infinite Paramatma? So they don't allow us to go towards Paramatma. They don't allow us to think about Paramatma. This Kamakrodha is hiding our intellect. Our knowledge is hidden. Our intellect is being hidden. Not Paramatma is hidden. This is way of saying. जैसी चंदनाची मुळी गिवसोनी घेपे व्याळी नातरी उल्बाची खोळी गर्भस्थासी. जैसी चंदनाची मुळी गिवसोनी घेपे व्याळी नातरी उल्बाची खोळी गर्भस्थासी. Naneshwar Maharaj adds one more example. How Kama Krodha is enveloping or hiding knowledge, hiding from knowledge. Jaisi, just like Chandanachi Muli, the root of sandalwood tree. Vyari Givsoni Ghepe. Vyari means the snake is, you know, encircled the root of sandalwood tree. One example. Ulbachi kholi garbhasthasi, or this embryo is covered by the womb. Then now how knowledge or how this Chaitanya and Kamakrodha, they are together. It is very difficult to get rid of Kamakrodha and always pay attention or abide in self knowledge or in self. That has been explained how they are inseparable. Ka prabhavin bhanu धुमे वीण हुता शणु जैसा दर्पण मळहिनु कहीच नसे. का प्रभावीण भाणु धुमे वीण हुता शणु जैसा दर्पण मळहिनु कहीच नसे. Some error is there, typo error. Just like Prabhavina Bhanu. Bhanu, sun without light. So we will never see sun without light. So Prabhavina Bhanu, Bhanu, sun. Without light, we will never see. Kahi Chanase. Nowhere as a place, never as a time. Dhume Veena Hutashanu. So Hutashanu, fire without the smoke. But we see gas we have in our room, that is fire without smoke. But in general, in olden days, there were no such facilities were there. Darpana malahinu, if there is a mirror, dust it will accumulate. Kahicana se. So it is not possible that these two are separate, one without the other. Like that, this Paramatma Chaitanya, Jiva Chaitanya, knowledge of Paramatma will have this Kama Krodha. And we have to remove this Kama Krodha as much as possible and understand Paramatma. तैसे इही वीण एकले आम्ही ज्ञान नाही देखिले जैसे कोडे निपा गुंतले बीज निपजे. कोंडे निपा गुंते गुंतले बीज निपजे. तैसे इही वीण एकले आम्ही ज्ञान नाही देखिले जैसे कोंडे निपा गुंतले बीज निपजे. तैसे, like that, इही वीण एकले, other than without kama krodha. आम्ही ज्ञान नाही देखिले, there is no knowledge without kama krodha. So whenever we want knowledge about anything, kama krodha will simply enter there. If you want knowledge of scriptures, kama krodha will enter. How they are inseparable, it is explained in previous OV. Now another example, and Naneshwar Maharaj winds up this topic. Konde nipa guntale bees nipaje, there is seed, and seed is enveloped by husk. So we don't see seed separately. So husk is always there. Like that, Paramatma is there, and this Antakaranam, which is full of Kama Krodha, is also there. So we have to see, understand ourself, I, without the Antakarana. Then next. Avrutam jnanametena jnanino nityavairina kamarupena kaunteya dushpurena nalena cha. Avrutam jnanametena ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणा कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पूरेणानलेन च. Again, this knowledge part is hidden by this kama krodha, and they are the toppest enemy of jnani, enlightened people. What about non-enlightened people? They have so many enemies. Avrutam jnanam etena ज्ञानिनः नित्यवैरिणः कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पूरेण अनलेन च. ब्यूटीफुल श्लोका. हे कौन्तेय, ओ son of Kunti, nityavairina, they are eternal enemy. Etena, by this eternal enemy kama krodha, dushpurena, it is difficult to satiate this kama. It is called dushpura. It is very difficult. This kama krodha is insatiable. Insatiable. Kama rupena. So this kama, who is insatiable, eternal enemy of ours, and how he is insatiable, just like in fire, if we put wood, so that wood is never going to satiate that fire. In the same way, this kama krodha, why they are insatiable? They are never going to be fulfilled. Kama krodha will be never ending. So they are jnaninaha nityavairina. They are the enemy, the toppest enemy of enlightened people. By those jnanam avrutam. So this Kamarupa, who is eternal enemy, who is difficult to fulfill, who is like a fire, that Kamakrodha is concealing knowledge. Jnanam avrutam. तैसे ज्ञानतरी शुद्ध परि इहि असे प्ररुद्ध मनोनिते अगाध होनी ठेले. तैसे ज्ञानतरी शुद्ध परि इहि असे प्ररुद्ध मनोनिते अगाध होवुनी ठेले. So this last portion, very important portion. So Jnanatari Shuddha, this Chaitanya, the consciousness is pure. There is no contact of consciousness with matter, with Maya. There is no contact. But it appears that there is some contact. This Jnana is very, very pure. Pari ihi ase pravruddha. They are still concealing this Paramatma. Kamakrodha, they are as though concealing Paramatma. This is what Vedanta, very fine tuning. For example, just now I gave example, Hastamalaka Stotram, this example is there. Ghanachanna Drushti. So there is sun and the cloud comes. Cloud comes. And once cloud comes in front of that cloud, one sun, then the sun rays are been stopped and there is little bit darkness everywhere. So what do we say? We say, oh, cloud covered the sun. Cloud covered the sun. Cloud covered the sun. Cloud is this big. Sun is, I can't even show that big. How this small cloud can cover big sun? Not possible. But we say that in transaction. In Vyavahara, we say that cloud covered the sun. In the same way, Kamakrodha covered Paramatma means what? Actually, they cannot cover Paramatma because Kamakrodha is very small, Ekadesha. Paramatma, Sarvadesha, Sarvatra, Sarvavyapi. So when we say Kama Krodha covered Paramatma, means Kama Krodha covered our thinking. Because of that, we are unable to see our real nature. Wonderful point. Enjoy this point. Jnanatari Shuddha Paramatma is pure consciousness. Parihiyase Pravruta, as though it is covered. Manonityaga honed. Because of that, Kama Krodha became very, very powerful, very, very difficult to reach. Because this illusion, delusion is there. Because of that, we can't reach Paramatma because Kama Krodha are there in between. Otherwise, we can realize our real nature easily. Therefore, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, first you win Kama Krodha, then all other things are easy. But wonderful thing Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, it is very, very difficult to win over or conquer Kama Krodha. आधियाते जिनावे मगते ज्ञान पावावे तव पराभवो न संभवे राग द्वेषा आधियाते जिनावे मगते ज्ञान पावावे तव पराभवो न संभवे राग द्वेषा आधियाते जिनावे फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग व्हाट यू डू याते काम क्रोधाते जिनावे you should conquer this kama krodha and then you have knowledge of Paramatma. Knowledge of Paramatma is what? You are already Paramatma. That will be fruitful. Magate jnana pavave. But parabhavo na sambhave ragadvesha. But there is no chance that we will win over this kama krodha. Aneshwar Maharaj, at least you don't say like this. You are the only hope. Seeing you, we are continuing our sadhana. You don't say that kama krodhas are very difficult to win. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj doesn't say here that kama krodhas are very, very difficult to win, but don't take them lightly. That is the point here. If mother says you will fail in maths, you will fail in maths. That doesn't mean mother is saying you will fail in maths. You take math subject seriously. याते साधा वया लागी जे बळ आणि जे अंगी ते इंधन जैसे आगी सावावो होय why we can't win over काम क्रोध ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज says याते साधा वया लागी जे बळ आणि जे अंगी ते इंधन जैसे आगी सावावो होय याते साधावया लागी in order to conquer काम क्रोध whatever strength is required in order to conquer this kama krodha whatever strength is required जे बळ आणि जे अंगी ते इंधन जैसे आगी सावावो होय he is saying Dhaneshwar Maharaj wonderful example he is saying just like there is a fire and in that fire we are putting woods one after the other so that putting wood in that fire is not going to put off that fire rather it is going to help that fire to blaze more. In the same way, in order to control, conquer this kama krodha, whatever sadhanas we are doing, that sadhana itself is bringing, like blazing this kama krodha more and more. For example, to control my kama krodha, I am doing japa, for example. And that japa, I am doing that, so I have that count in my mind. So there is some attachment with that count. Today I did 5,000 japa. So some ahankara is there. Again, then there is a more desire. I should do 10,000. I should put on Facebook, Insta, this, that. Kama Krodha is still there. So whichever sadhana I am taking up to conquer this Kama Krodha, instead of conquering them, we are adding more desires and more anger is there. If I can't do 5,000, I get angry on myself. So japa was done to conquer kama krodha and because I could not do japa fully, now I have anger. Ayyo. So this is how it is. Kama krodha, they are not easy to win over. Beautiful abhanga of Tukaram Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj. Hmm. काया वाचा मने झाला विष्णुदास, झाला विष्णुदास, झाला विष्णुदास. काया वाचा मने, काया वाचा मने झाला विष्णुदास. काम क्रोध त्यास, काम क्रोध त्यास बाधितीना. विश्वास तो करी, विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, स्वामी वरी सत्ता, स्वामी वरी सत्ता. विश्वास तो करी, विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता. सकळ भोगिता आ, सकळ भोगिता होय त्याचे. विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, स्वामी वरी सत्ता, स्वामी वरी सत्ता. विश्वास तो करी. तुका म्हणे चित्त करावे निर्मळ, तुका म्हणे चित्त करावे निर्मळ. आ, तुका म्हणे चित्त करावे निर्मळ, येऊनी गोपाळ राहे तेथे. तुका म्हणे चित्त करावे निर्मळ, येऊनी गोपाळ राहे तेथे. येऊनी गोपाळ राहे तेथे, येऊनी गोपाळ राहे तेथे. विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता. विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, सकळ भोगिता होय त्याचे. विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, सकळ भोगिता होय त्याचे. सकळ भोगिता होय त्याचे, सकळ भोगिता होय त्याचे. विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता, विश्वास तो करी स्वामी वरी सत्ता. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, 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 ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 पुंडलिक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय, जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय, सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.